Hello Unity developers, in this video I am showing you a new feature for the voxel generator, which is the ability to connect voxel generators together. I have called it a multi-block setup. So here I can see here I have here this block here, or for example this one here. This one consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 voxel generators, and I've clicked here. Now they are connected. You can see here now the gaps are closed, disconnecting, and they will open again. Here I have closed it again, and I show you now how to set it up. So for this I go into the benchmark GPU scene now, because I have here already a setup. This one. And here I have here two voxel generators. Now let's remove it and create it from scratch. It's very easy. We have here two generators. I create here the empty block, empty game object, add component, voxel generator multiblock. And here we can see here now that the reference is missing. So the first thing what we have to do is to assign the voxel generator, and this is now used as reference in order to calculate the position where they have to be located. And also it's important to have them all selected and add them as child. So what now happen? I moved them away to show it to you. So now I assign them, and when I move that, when I move it around, and can here click on position generators, so they are now positioned. And if I want to move them, you can see they snap into the position. It wants to snap into the position. Also this one. And now they are in the position. And now I can click connect generators, and they are connected. I can also move it around now. You can see here that this part which was connected is now open. And connect them again. And it's connected on the other side. I can also duplicate this. Of course the duplicated stuff is not connected, so I can connect them, and they are connected. I can see how they are connected. You can create all kinds of multi-block setups with it. And also it's possible here to manipulate the settings. For example, here I can update the chunk cache, generate world. I can generate, and here try it. Now it is. Now you can see here that the chunk cache is used for the calculation. And you can see here now that they have some kind of offset. Here it always resets all generators. Generate world. So try again. Well, that's it. You can play around with it. Here you have also the options to create empty blocks. Blocks with 255. What's important to know is that in order to utilize the system, it's only possible to connect the generators when they're initialized. So basically you have to generate the blocks or load them first before calling the functionality to connect the generators. Otherwise this would not work. So I have here also the option to use the reference for the initial values, which is this here. So if you define here the initial values basically of the reference is this one, so let's rename it. So and now the initial values are used from the reference for all other generators here. This is it. Basically, this is the multi-block setup, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.